everyone. Very warm welcome to Hindu's Academy of Biology and Medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, greetings of the day. And today, in this video, you're going to understand how are we going to conduct tomorrow's online biology quiz 2020. I'm sure you all are excited because we have already nearing about 2000 registrations for this particular quiz program, and I'm so thankful to all the participants for the same. Tomorrow, 5th September 2020, on account of Teachers' Day, IABM offers an online biology quiz program 2020 at 4 p.m. So how are we going to conduct this quiz? I request all the participants to stay online, subscribe to YouTube channel IABM Space Online Bio, and be active in our Telegram group of Hindu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, IABM Online Bio. I'm sure that to all the participants we have mailed different category Telegram groups. Those who have not yet joined into the Telegram group, please do join the Telegram group for notifications. And also I request all the participants to subscribe to IABM Space Online Bio for prior notification. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. you would be getting a video where I would appear giving you instructions about the quiz which is to be conducted at 4 p.m. and in the description box you would find 5 different registration forms. And in the Google Forms, you would fill your details and start appearing for the quiz. The good part is, since it's going to be at YouTube and it's going to be a Google Form, it's very easy to fill, and very interesting part is we have cut down to 25 questions in 30 minutes. Because I've been getting a lot of mails, calls and WhatsApp messages of 50 questions in 30 minutes, it's not possible, it's quite time consuming and so on and so forth. So based on your request, I have reduced the questions to 25. So the competition would be only for 25 questions in 30 minutes. This is a good news. Another good news is it's going to be a very simple Google form where once you complete filling all the answers and you upload or give your response to us, immediately you would view your score, immediately you would assess which question you have went wrong, and this is going to be a great self-assessment to understand what you know on biology. But the sad part of it is, since it's a competition, one has to win and one has to lose. So, what are we going to do is, exactly after 30 minutes, you would not be able to submit any responses. The response would not be accepted after 30 minutes. So, I ensure all of you to be quick on time. So, first come, first serve basis, whoever is giving me all right answers or topmost answers in short duration would be awarded. So as you all know, I repeat once again, in every category we have 10 awardees, and in a couple of days in the same YouTube channel IABM Space Online Bio, I would announce the winners of the quiz competition under each category. Not only that, in a couple of days we will also discuss category wise questions and with detailed explanations in your channel IABM Space Online Bio, and that is the reason, my dear ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, subscribe to this channel, because after quiz I'm going to post a lot of webinars, other few competitions to you at lockdown and post lockdown to assess your knowledge at your doorsteps. And not only this, as you all know, we're going to start with micro mastery courses, and details are going to be in the same YouTube channel, and also few online classes and crash courses for CSIR NET LS going to commence from 1st October 2020. So please stay tuned. See you again tomorrow at 4 p.m. Until then, all the very best. Prepare well and kindly make a note of this. All the very best. Thank you. Bye-bye.